Garmin is on the brink of launching new models in their Fenix 8 series, and there's a lot to be excited about. Recently, Garmin introduced the standard Fenix 8 and the Fenix 8 Solar, both of which brought notable updates such as enhanced diving support and the addition of a voice assistant. However, the buzz around the Fenix 8 Pro models suggests even more advanced features are on the way. Recent leaks from the Garmin Connect app, shared on Reddit, have revealed some intriguing details about upcoming releases. According to these leaks, Garmin is preparing to launch the Fenix 8 Pro in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, along with a new variant featuring micro-LED technology. These models briefly appeared in the app's device section before being removed, leading to a flurry of speculation and anticipation. The Fenix 8 Pro models are an expected development for Garmin, known for their high-performance and feature-rich watches. What's particularly exciting is the potential introduction of the micro-LED variant. This technology marks a significant leap from the AMOLED displays used in current models. Micro-LED screens offer several advantages, including superior brightness, lower power consumption, and reduced risk of burn-in. These improvements could provide users with a more vibrant and durable display experience, enhancing the overall usability of the watch. While major tech companies like Apple have explored micro-LED technology, they faced challenges with production costs. Apple even discontinued some development efforts due to high manufacturing expenses. If Garmin has managed to successfully integrate micro-LED technology into their watches, it could set a new benchmark in wearable technology and give Garmin a competitive edge. The leaked details suggest that the Fenix 8 Pro models will come in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, which could indicate enhancements in specifications and internal components. Although it's possible these Pro versions might include solar charging capabilities, similar to the Fenix 8 Solar, this hasn't been confirmed. There may be additional features or upgrades that Garmin has yet to reveal. There has been some speculation about whether these leaks could be the result of software errors or typos. However, the detailed nature of the leaks, including specific features and design elements, suggests they are likely accurate. The presence of a black watch face in the leaked images, alongside multiple inconsistencies, supports the idea that these Fenix 8 Pro models are real and not merely mislabeled or erroneous entries. For anyone considering purchasing a Fenix 8, it might be prudent to wait a few months to see what these new Pro models have to offer. The potential inclusion of micro-LED technology alone could make these upcoming models highly attractive. Given the advanced features expected, it's likely that the Fenix 8 Pro versions will be priced higher than the standard Fenix 8, which currently starts at $999.99, around £869.99. In conclusion, if the leaks prove accurate, Garmin is poised to introduce some exciting new additions to the Fenix 8 series with the Pro models. These new releases could bring significant enhancements and features that may make them more appealing than the current models. To stay up to date on the latest news and official announcements, be sure to subscribe for updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing more details with you soon.